How to deposit funds on Revolut. So if you would like to deposit funds on Revolut, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Revolut application. Once you launch the Revolut app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, basically what you have to do is you want to simply tap on this option after your login that says add money. So when you tap on the add money section, on the next page you can see this option called add money, where you can enter the amount that you'd like to add, or debit card or credit card or anything as such. So here all you have to do is tap on the continue button after you enter the amount and select the payment from where you would like to deposit money from, and once then you can select how to add money. So you can use a bank transfer, directly salary, or Apple Pay or credit or debit card, and once then you'll be able to add money to Revolut. This way you'll be able to add money on Revolut. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.